An easy way to incorporate movement into our daily routine is by taking stairs over elevators or escalators as often as we can. You see, we already knew that Swiss researchers had found that taking stairs regularly leads to better lung capacity, blood pressure and cholesterol measurements. Yes. Weight, body fat and waist measurements also drop, whilst the capacity for doing aerobic exercise improves. Now, everything taken together, this comes down to a 15% reduction in the chances of dying young. In a 2016 study, scientists have now found a clear relationship between the number of flights of stairs a person climbs and their brain age. Every daily flight of stairs climbed between 2 consecutive floors rolled back brain age by 0.58 years. Yeah, you heard that right. Walking up 4 flights of stairs every day will reduce brain age by more than 2 years. They measured the amount of grey matter in participants through MRI scans, and when comparing brain volumes, those people who had climbed more stairs daily clearly had more grey matter, and thus their brains appeared younger. Now, what this also means, unfortunately, is that if you stop taking stairs, your brain will age more. Well, that study wasn't only looking at stairs to see what keeps our brain young. Actually, they looked at a whole set of variables to identify which one influences our brain age most. And they found only 2 significant predictors of decreased brain age. The first one you already know, and that's those daily stairs. The second one had an even bigger impact. You see, researchers looked at the years of education one had and linked that to brain volumes, and bingo, their conclusion was that brain age decreases by almost a full year for each year of education an individual had followed. People who have extra mental capacity, meaning more connections among nerve cells, well, they may have a larger reserve of mental capacity from which to draw upon when the neural network begins to fade. It basically works as a backup system, to keep the brain functioning well beyond what a normal brain would do. So when one pathway in the brain gets clogged because of amyloid plaque, the brain just switches to these alternative pathways. And guess what is the number one thing that helps us build these multiple pathways that can be used as backup systems? Exactly, studying new things. So back to school, guys, because it's our fountain of youth.